we need water quality because, first of all, it's the main source of food security we have come from the ocean.
Surrounded by ocean, Cape Cod and Cape Verde rely on their waters for fishing, water recreation, and tourism.
Places that have good water quality have a lot of biodiversity. Places that have bad water quality, on the other hand, often it's just muddy bottom. There's nothing, it seems almost devoid of life.
Seagrass is a bedrock of vibrant marine ecosystems in Cape Cod and an indicator of good water quality.
Eelgrass is the most common species of seagrass that you'll find. When eelgrass is abundant, it provides a lot of benefits, like it serves as a nursery habitat for a host of different species, and it also helps to clear the water column.
Coral reefs are similarly important to marine life in Cape Verde. Seagrass and corals are greatly impacted by changes in water quality.
We are in the top 10 of coral reefs in the world, so it's really important to us to have water quality because these coral reefs are the ones that maintain all the environmental aquatic ecosystem around Cape Verde.
Cape Cod and Cape Verde face different challenges when it comes to protecting their water quality.
I keep a boat in Megansett. And back in 1970, the water quality in Megansett was so good that we could dredge for scallops. Actually use a scallop dredge. But of course, within 10 years, the eelgrass beds disappeared and there is no more shellfishing in Megansett.
The decline in water quality is caused by a process called eutrophication. So that's where excess nutrients make their way into our coastal waterways and fuel the growth of marine plants like phytoplankton and algae to the point where it's harmful. It's too much of a good thing.
On Cape Cod, excess nutrients, nitrogen in particular, comes from a few different sources. Septic systems, air pollution, and lawn fertilizers are major culprits. Extra nitrogen in marine environments acts like a fertilizer for algae that typically grows there, causing it to bloom. One problem with these algal blooms is that they tend to smother everything else that lives in those environments, like seagrass. In Cape Verde, the biggest threat to water quality isn't nutrients. It's plastic that washes up on the island's beaches.
The sea turtles, they have problem when they eat the plastic. They have problems when they try to make nests in polluted beaches, and they have problem when the young ones come out of the nest and try to get to the ocean and have to pass the mountains of plastic.
The plastic debris doesn't come from Cape Verdeans.
Cape Verde is strategically located in the middle of the North Current from North Atlantic current. So everything come to the ocean between Morocco's and Cape Verde come to our beaches. Everything.
Fish eat the smaller pieces of plastic. This happens all over the world. Scientists are studying how it affects human health.
All the food chain of fish are completely full of plastic. We don't know yet how the plastic impacts human body.
So, what can be done? In both places, scientists, governments, and nonprofits are looking for answers. Solutions include wastewater treatment plants, but those are expensive, so towns are exploring alternative approaches like nitrogen-removing septic systems and shellfish aquaculture. Nonprofits like Biosfera and Cape Verde teach the public about recycling and lead beach cleanups. The public also plays a huge role in helping the movement.
Making a lot of volunteer campaigns for cleaning beaches. That is what Biosfera do a lot. Now, I believe every time we have a cleaning campaigns, a lot of parents and children, they come, and they play, they clean, and it's amazing.
Fertilizers on lawns represent about 10% of the nutrient runoff problem in many of our watersheds. So if you reduce fertilizer use on your lawn and rather leave the sort of lawn clippings to decompose in your lawn, it's better for your lawn anyway.
We use our ocean every day. So if you want to have health, so we need to take care of our waters.